Hey, it's Antonio Casio. I haven't been here in a while, so I just want to show you how to do the butterfly form number 4. Okay. So the last time we did it, last week, it was butterfly section number 1. It was this chop, 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 chop. Okay. Chop, 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 chop. Okay. The second form, it was this left thrust, right thrust, left thrust, right thrust, left thrust, right thrust. And then section number 3 was this Quan Sao, Quan Sao, Quan Sao, Quan Sao, Quan Sao, Quan Sao. Get it? Now we're gonna do the fourth form. So do Bang Dao right here, like this. I'll do the other side. I'll do this 4 times. Then after that, go this way. Go Hu and Dao. Back here. Back like this. At the same time, okay? Section 4. Bang Dao. Bang Dao. 4 times. Bang Dao. Bang Dao. Hu and Dao. Back to finish, okay? One more time. Bang Dao. Bang Dao. Bang Dao. Bang Dao. Hu and Dao. Back to finish, okay? Like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you in the next one.